Eric Burgess here, and we've been given a sequence of numbers, and they want us to come up with a formula that describes the numbers. It's standard practice, at least with the problems that we're going to be doing, that you use the letter n, and that n starts at 1 and increases in integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on forever. So this is important to know because we're not going to state it explicitly with most of these problems. So this first one that we have here, there'll be more videos on these sorts of problems, is this is a pretty simple one, but it lays a lot of groundwork for how to approach these. So whenever you see a question like this, my recommendation is figure out a pattern or explore patterns and try to get things to appear in terms of integers, right? Because we have n and it's increasing as the integers. So we want to do that with our problem here. So if we look at this, we say, well, these are all suspicious because they're all even. And you might try powers of 2, but 6 and 10 are not powers of 2. So this means that, hey, but we're only increasing by 2 each time. So if we were to rewrite this sequence, it'd be 1/2, 1. And this is the same thing as 2 times 2, right? And then we have 1, and then we have 2 times 3. And then 1 over 2 times 4. And 1 over 2 times 5. And we could see here, we have the integers we were looking for. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have this 2 here at the beginning. Well, look at this. We want to start at 1, right? So this is the same thing as just 2 times 1. And oops, I put a 2 up here for some reason. So we could see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be where we put n. So the formula that we would get for this particular conundrum would be 1 over 2n. And this is going to be the general way we approach questions like this, is finding some way to write it in a way that makes the integers or the patterns come out more apparently. It'll allow us to select what kind of way we should manipulate n. So in this case, it was a multiplicative relationship that we had discovered. Sometimes it'll be powers. There's all kinds of things. Every now and then you'll need to shift things around. There's a lot of things. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for future videos. And we'll catch you in the next problem.